Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your host, Abilino Lino. For today's video, we're going to make a beautiful but inexpensive headboard with border wall sticker and LED string lights. After my short channel introduction. We need wall border sticker, popsicle stick, a glue stick, poster board, pencil and scissor, glue gun, and LED string lights. Let's start it. This is my bedroom wall accent existing already. Now we transform this to a beautiful headboard. First, I put the LED string lights on the corner using the heat glue gun. So I'll first do the corner. I just stick the string LED lights to the corner, around the corner of the accent wall tiles, as you can see. So be sure that the LED string light is stick well on the tiles, on the corners. I'll trace the width of the wall sticker to the poster board. I'll trace it, and then later on we're going to cut it. By the way, I forgot, we're going to need also a masking tape. And then now I'll stick the end of the poster board with the use of a masking tape. The end of the border's poster board. So I join together with the masking tape. And then I'll put a popsicle stick with a glue gun, with a glue stick at the back, at the white part of the poster board to give us strengthen the poster board so that will stick together, and also serve as strength of the poster board. And that's how you look it. Now let's peel the border sticker. So let's peel on a poster board at the black part of the poster board. So let's peel and stick at the black part of the poster board. So we need a clean dry rags to press the sticker. As you can see, I just stick the sticker very well so that the alignment will accurate. Now let's stick on the wall. So I first the side. And then I also use a guide on the top so that the portion is in a good right corners. So with the glue gun, And then also on the other side, same procedure. Just stick well. And also the top part and the bottom part. Before I forgot, I would like to shout out my channel members, all organic viewers, returning viewers, silent viewers. Welcome back. Thank you so much for continuing support my YouTube channel. And to those who are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please do likes, share, and also subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will notify for the upcoming videos. Simply just press the notification board so you will notify when I have a new video upload upcoming. So here it goes. We did already the first part. We stick already the border, and how does it look like. So it's beautiful, elegant, but inexpensive. It is beautiful. Please comment down below if you like it. So that's the first part, and then later we'll do the second part of our transforming the headboard. And it's so fun, and it's so very easy to do this beautiful headboard. Very inexpensive and very elegant. Later on, I'll show you with also the LED string light, how it goes and how it looks like.
Then 10 years later.
And here it goes. Isn't it beautiful? Hope you like it, guys. Our simple makeover or our simple DIY project for today's. Hope you guys learn a little bit something from this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channels. Thank you so much, guys, for continuing support, and please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Now I open the lights and here how it looks when the light is on. Once again, this is your host Avelino Lino. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. See you guys on my next video. Keep safe, everyone. Goodbye.